All right, we're talking about the determinant of a square matrix. So obviously this only can happen with 2x2s and 3x3s and 4x4s. We are on lesson 7.7. So we talked a little bit about this the other day, but we didn't talk about it in this form. So I'm going to write it down differently. We talked about it as A, B, C, D, where we take AD and subtract BC. This is usually the most common way I see it in curriculum, but our curriculum chose to do it like this. Notice they also show that the determinant is like this, the determinant of A, and this is how you will see it in your calculator. So if you do have a section with calculators being allowed to be used, you can just do the determinant like that. So let's dive in here. Remember, for this one, we're going to kind of multiply across. 2 times 5 minus negative 1 times 3. 2 times 5 is 10 minus a negative 3 will give me a determinant of 13. Moving on to example B. 1 times 5, and we're subtracting negative 4 times 0, and it looks like we get 5 minus 0, which is 5. The last determinant here, we have 3 times 2 minus negative 3 times negative 2. 6 minus 6 is going to give us a determinant of 0.